diesel fans know that one of the best things you can do to your truck is make it go faster. So on that tip, we're here in the Sinister Diesel booth. You guys are a relative newcomer to SEMA. For the folks at home who aren't fully familiar, what do you guys specialize in?
So we specialize in a huge array of different parts for the Ford, Chevy, Dodge light-duty diesel market. We do suspension components, engine components, exterior components. So we do have a big variety of different parts for the trucks. Yeah, we do. We try to do everything in-house as much as possible for all of our welding parts, all of our tube bending, fabrication components. We're at about a 98% capacity inside our facility based out of California.
Okay. Before we dive into the parts, I want to touch on the way you guys came to be, and it's one of those necessity is the mother of invention stories that we all love.
Yeah, we came out of pure desperation, out of 08, 09. We were in another industry that kind of just pickled because of the economy. My business partner's truck broke, and we couldn't afford to buy the actual part itself, so we were looking around and we decided we could make that. So we made one, and we were like, you know what, let's try to offer it for sale. And it really just exploded within about a 6-month time frame. You know, we had went from just doing it on the side to it's a full-fledged business. It's been a wild ride ever since. So,
what have you got new for the show this year?
So we started out in the Power Stroke diesel with the cold air intakes last year, and really have expanded it into all aspects of light-duty diesel. So we now are in the Duramax and Cummins market as well. We have 99 to current engines we have available for cold air intakes.
And these are straight bolt-in factory replacement applications?
Yeah, correct. So straight drop-in bolt-in application, increases horsepower, increases torque, adds way more flow to it. And we are being in the process of having them all tested. Some of them are already approved to be 50-state legal, and the other ones are being tested as we speak. So the industry's changing. The industry is forcing everybody to get into more compliant things, and it pushes your limits on creativity. And it's a good thing. It's a cool thing to be part of the industry right now.
So I see some exhaust stuff behind you. I want to talk about your headers and white pipes and that kind of stuff.
So we manufacture stainless steel tube headers for the 6.0 Power Stroke. We do stainless steel up pipes for Ford and for Power Stroke and the Duramax engines. Again, all bent and fabricated, welded, polished in-house in California. So.
All right, Brian, let's talk filtration for a second. I know you've got a Power Stroke solution that's very unique to the industry.
We do a coolant filtration kit. We started out with doing the Power Strokes. We have Duramax and Cummins as well now. It's a huge thing to add to your vehicle because it prevents a lot of long-term expensive repairs. The first filter change is about 500 miles, and it is nasty. It pays for itself in that one. After that, it's about every oil change, depending on how bad your actual coolant is. But for less than $200, you can be saving thousands of dollars long-term in repair costs.
Yeah, it's definitely not the showiest mod you can make to your truck, but one of those ones that definitely pays the bills after a month or two. So you've got a fuel filter solution as well.
Yeah, we have a CAT fuel filter for a Duramax engine. So we take the expensive Duramax filter and convert it into a CAT filter, which is readily available. It's a higher or lower micron filtration system, so it filters out the fuel a little bit better.
Filtering a little better and a little cheaper.
Exactly, and a little bit cheaper. So it's kind of a win-win all the way around.
All right, Brian, for the folks who aren't lucky enough to be here with us at SEMA walking the show and they can't see all the beautiful blue stuff hanging on the wall, where can they go to get more info?
The best source would be sinisterdiesel.com.
Sinisterdiesel.com, that's simple enough. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here with us. Stay tuned, a whole lot more is coming your way from SEMA.